Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Toyota Prius cars, this car battery, starting battery for engine, and it is just in this trunk area. And now I have opened this door and we can look in here, and next we need to look in that side in here. There is this car's battery, and let's go to look that area next. And then when we are going in this trunk area, there are two switches what I have to move in position, like in here, lock and unlock position. And let's go to look those arrows. And there is really arrow, that means that it's lock, and unlock means that I move that in here, and also same thing in the second lock. To move that second switch also in this side unlock position in this way. And now I can open this rear cover. This rear cover opening is important, and I move that in here, and I can release this whole thing away in that way. I can move that away in this way. Okay, and then I have to take this below black box away also. It is easy to lift out in this way, and now we have space. Okay, and then our next task is to look in here and take this cover away in here. Okay, and this side cover opens so that I lift this in this way, and a little bit in these sides. It's a little bit stuck, but note that there are a couple of these holders, these spikes in here, and now this part is open. Good. Okay, and now we can see this battery area, and then we have to take a couple of about 5 to 10 bolts and nuts away. And let's go to look closer at this battery thing. And there is really this battery, and this is like this automatic battery, this computer. This part controls this small battery and also this big hybrid battery in here. And we have to take this black box computer away, and there is 10mm bolts and also 12mm bolts. And here we can see this battery, and firstly we can take this plus areas, this cover, we only little bit move that out, and it opens in these holding positions in this way. And there we can see this plus LED in here, and there is minus LED in that area. And we have to open also those bolts. And now when we like to take this black battery away, we have to first open this 10mm bolt in here, and then that one and two these 10mm bolts, and then this our computer is easier to open. And also I take this 12mm bolt, that one and that one away. Okay, and let's look at how this happens. And before of that I have to disconnect this cable, and I press this up area in here and pull out. There's a small switch. Let's look at how I have to press this in here. I need now screwdriver. And here is my 10mm socket and wrench and a little bit longer bar that I can install my tool in here in this way. It is in position. Now my socket, and there is this my tool, and now opening direction is in this way. I rotate in here, and now we can see that this bolt is opening. Good. And now it opens nicely. In here, bolt, and I rotate that bit. Now it's loosened, good. And then I can carefully move that in this way. And I can pull out this plus cable in this way. This is nice. Now it's nicely. And then I continue to take this switch away. I press that and maybe, okay, now I managed to open. And look also this holder, and now this plus cable is free in here. Good. Okay, and now batteries plus cable is okay, and then I have to open this 10mm bolt here. And there's my 10mm. And open this here. Now it opens. Good. Now rotate that bolt away. Good. There is this bolt, and I install this bolt in here in safe position. And then next bolt is that one in here. Now I think that there are those two bolts what I have to open, or then this 12mm. And I think that I take this 12mm bolt away, this one in here, that one next. And now I have here 12mm socket what fits in this part in here, and now I open this bolt, that one. Okay, good. Now this bolt is free, and we can go to look closer. We can see that bolt is this 12mm bolt. Now it's free, and next part is to open second 12mm in here. Okay, and there is the second bolt is in that one. And I open also this bolt, and this is a little bit tight, and I need more force. Okay, now I open this bolt here. And this is a little bit heavier. Now it's loosened, and then these parts I can now move this computer. Look. Okay, and this is really critical when I take this bolt away and I loosen that one. It's now loosened. Now this part is movable, and here is this holder, and carefully when I move that little, now this is like in battery reverse position in this way, and there is battery. And next I need to open this bolt, 10mm in this down area, 10mm, and also in here is second 10mm in there, what I have to open. Good. And next I take my 10mm socket. Okay, and this cable removal, it is not so easy, because I have to compress really. Now we can see this small switch in here down, that one. And this is like a little bit hidden, and then pull out. This is the trick. And we can look even closer this thing, that there is this cable what I need to remove. and this is really, there is this white part what I have to press with nail, or then that one down and then pull out. Little bit difficult to take out. Okay, and now when these cables are free, and I have also opened these bolts in here, this 12mm bolt, I can move this battery computer in here. This really controls that small battery, and then there is next 10mm bolt in here, and we can look that closer. Next there is really this 10mm bolt, what is in here, that one in here down. It keeps this steel bar in position, and next I open this bolt. And now I take my 10mm bolt, it is in here, and then little bit longer the extension, and now I use also my electric driver that I can open this. Okay, now this bolt is free, and it looks like that small 10mm bolt, and now it's free. And then in here, that another side, in that corner area, in this area in here, there is second bolt what I have to open also, and let's look that one. And it is really in here, and also in that bolt I need 10mm wrench, and now it is loosened good. I little bit rotate that, and now I can use my fingers. Okay, and there is this 10mm wide base specific bolt, Toyota standard nut, and now this battery holder, this one, this is free. And now this battery holder is really free, and we can look that minus cable next. Okay, and here is then this minus cable. It is that one in here, and I need again 10mm socket. Okay, and now I need 10mm spanner tool. It looks like that. 10mm tool, and using this spanner I can open this final bolt what is in here, and it is like a little bit hidden in this back area, and yeah, just like in there, difficult position in that way, and I open this nut next, and then this battery is free. Okay, and this final this nut is really in this side area, difficult position, and couple of rotations, and we can look closer. Okay, and now we can see this my work, and really in here difficult position to rotate that nut, and when this is loosened we can a little bit move that in hand in that way, and we can pull out and install this little bit far away in here. And now I believe that this battery is free, But actually there is this one air hose in here. That one, what I have to open, this bolt. This hose is in here left. And there's 1 mm bolt in this position left. And now I use my electric impact driver. Okay. And now it seems that this was so rusty that this goes broken. Okay, sad thing. And now I can pull out this cover. This is like air cover. And I think that in what way there is some holder, but I have to remove. So I look where it is. What part? Okay, there is one 10mm bolt in this side area. There we can see. This 10mm, and I have to open this bolt in here. Okay, and now there's one bolt left in there, and now this hose is free, and this battery is in there, and that hose I take also away. It is like extra air ventilation, and there is handle, and now I can lift finally this battery up in here. And this was big job. Look, this part. Okay, now battery is free. Excellent. And there was a lot of job to take this Toyota Prius battery away, and then I have to purchase really just similar. There is this type what I can go to take and pick in my car in Toyota dealership center, or then if I can find similar battery in some another place. And note that these places, these are very thin, and this is not normal car battery. It is like something specific, smaller standard battery for Toyota Prius. Okay, and then this back installation is this job like in reverse. Okay, thank you for watching.